Today we're going to talk about C++ friends. What is friend? Friends are functions or classes declared with the keyword friend. The friend function's prototype should appear in the class definition, but friends are not member of a class. So friends are called differently compared with member functions of the class. And who can make friends? What does it mean for the class who make friends? If class want to make friends, class has to explicitly declare the friend function, which is outside of this class, which also means the class give this access, the private to access the private and protected member of this class. A friend can be a function, can be template function, can be member function of another class. Also between classes, they can make friends as well. Example of friend function. Here we have a class and we declare a friend function, change private, which is to change its private member. So we have change point, this friend function outside of this class point scope, and it can access its private member data. Here is another example of friends between classes. We have two classes here. We have class A and we have class B. And friends A explicitly grant, say, class B is its friend. So class A has public member functions and private member data. So that means class B have all access in terms of public member and private and protected members. In general, a friend function of class is defined outside of class scope. So you may wonder where the keyword friend should be in the class definition. It can be anywhere, in public or in protected or private part of class definition. So why we need friends? Sometimes we need special functions which is not part of class, but it will get access to classes private or protected members. C++ provides friends to satisfy this need. So what's the difference between friend function versus member function of a class? It's a somewhat involved topic. We will discuss this in the class using an example. Since friends is not member function of class, so it has some critics. Mainly, it violates the object-oriented programming principle of information hiding, but it can be done in a controlled fashion, meaning the class must explicitly grant this access to its friend function to access its own member, private or protected member, by declaring this function as a friend function. There are three rules of friends between classes. The first rule is friendship are not mutual. Meaning if there's a class A is a friend of class B, but class B is not necessarily a friend of A. The second rule between friends is class friends are if class A is a friend of class B is a friend of class C, class A is not automatically a friend of class C. The third rule about friends is friendship are not inherited, meaning a friend of base class is not automatically a friend of derived class, and vice versa. So these are three rules of friends between classes.